Newsmax senior judicial analyst, my friend Judge Andrew Napolitano. Judge, can we just start suing Democrats for all the comments they make when they're on the official campaign trail?
You know, I'm smiling, Carl, because you really picked the two most extreme examples of Democratic nonsense in those two. Look, if someone is injured by words, you can bring a lawsuit. It's a difficult lawsuit in which to prevail. So the lawsuit we're talking about are D.C. police officers who claim they were injured on January 6th because the crowd rioted because the then sitting president encouraged them to riot.
But don't they have to prove that he did encourage them?
Donald Trump. Say again?
Don't they have to prove that he actually did encourage them and not said peacefully and patriotically?
Yes. So Trump moved to dismiss the complaint, saying, I was the president. Whatever I said and did, I did in my official capacity, and therefore I'm immune. Federal district court judge said, you weren't in your official capacity. You were riling up the crowd. You're not immune. Trump quite properly appealed that to an appellate court. The appellate court agreed with the trial court. So now the case will come to trial, and those injured cops will have to prove that the reason for their injury, what we call the proximate cause of their injury, were Donald Trump's words. Trump's defense will be freedom of speech. I can say whatever I want, whether I'm the president or not, and a jury will decide.
Unbelievable. Well, here's another scenario in the same vein, like the OSHA vaccine mandate, okay? That was overturned by the Supreme Court. So, can we sue Joe Biden or can we sue OSHA for everybody who was affected, either lost their jobs or had an adverse reaction?
Aha. I wish we could. But in that case, because Biden acted in his official capacity telling OSHA what to do, and because OSHA acted in its official capacity telling all employers, including yours and mine, to forcibly require vaccines, OSHA and the president are immune from lawsuit.
Yeah.
You tell me that's fair? It's obviously not fair, but that's where we stand at the present moment.
All right. Well, we're going to follow this one. I mentioned this earlier in the show, sir, but Congressman James Comer and the Oversight Committee just released the subpoenaed bank records that show Hunter Biden's business entity, this Owasco thing, made direct monthly payments to his father. Now, they've only shown 4 months so far, totaling like 13 and change every single month. However, it's still there. They said it didn't happen, and it did.
His father is in a lot of hot water if the Republicans decide to pursue this, and he may be in hot water if the IRS decides to pursue this. The issue is, what was he paid for? Was he paid for some official favor that he performed as vice president of the United States? That's called bribery. It's too late to prosecute him for that. It's not too late for impeachment proceedings to begin. Did he report to the IRS that income? We don't know. That'll be Congressman Comer's next step.
Yeah. Well, that's why they always claimed loan repayment, so he didn't have to pay taxes. Judge Andrew Napolitano, always a pleasure, sir.
Pleasure's mine, Carl. Thank you.